18 Bowman Draft Sapphire 1-box random team number 12. Best of luck to everyone here. We're going to roll the dice. It's 29 teams and 29 spots. No Nationals cards, so let's roll the dice. Good luck. 3, quick one. Teams first. Boom. That's a quick one. We don't do snake eyes, but we do threes. We do. There you guys go. 3. 29 spots. Beautiful. And 3. Oh my God, so geared. So ready. Tommy Paul Alcaraz is... Tommy Paul's playing a lot better now. What are the odds on that? I'll say Alcaraz minus 350. And, no, it's too generous for Tommy Paul. Alcaraz minus 400. Sinner Medvedev, it's probably a little bit closer than I expect, to be honest. Minus 400, perfect. Literally exactly it. My issue, the math part of it, I was fine. You know, side pots, people really struggled with side pots. I got that. I understood that. Just find the smallest stack and go from there. It's really not that difficult. Where I struggled, man, was awarding hands. Ranking hands. Like, mostly in a 5-card PLO. 5-card PLO, all these dudes are Russian, European. Nobody speaks English. They all just expect you to know the hand. And when I was first starting, it was... I would, like, just stare at them and just be like, oh... What do you even have? So that was a big issue. I mean, that's just straight up just training the eyes. Just training the eyes. But that was only in 5-card PLO. 5-card PLO was such a headache. And we were like the only casino to have 5-card PLO. So everyone would play there. 19 draft is no. 19 draft is Adley and Gunnar. Best of luck here. Here we go. Adley, Gunnar, Riley Green, C.J. Abrams. Emptiness and loneliness. Matt Caterina. Mauricio. Flip him. Just kidding, Rays. C.J. Base. Corbin, base. We forget about our boy Corbin. Emptiness and loneliness. Yeah, Keone Cavaco. If we pull the super of Keone Cavaco, Jags is gonna buy it. We have a $1,000 bounty on Keone Cavaco. I hope it's 1,000. I'm just speaking out loud. Good luck here on our green and blue. Start off with our blue first. Glenn Allen Hill Jr. for the Diamondbacks and Chad. And for the Reds, it's Jonathan India. Nice India here out of 50. The greens are out of 50. 4 of 50. To the Reds, to Curto. What team is who? Cavaco? Keone Cavaco is Twins. He was a first. The Hill Jr. Not that it's a good first, but... Here's your recap, ladies and gentlemen. No first color auto. Corbin, CJ, Glenn Allen Hill Jr., and Jonathan India for the Reds. That was a 1-box random team number 12. And 2019 Bowman Draft Sapphire. We have plenty of it left. We can keep running these back. These are cheap at 14 a spot. Thank you.